Welcome to the Lento training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to add lesson and sections to your course in Lento. Go to Course Manager. Now choose the course. You can add lessons and section to your course. For add a section, choose Add Section. Give the title of your section. Click on Submit and your course section will be created. To add the lessons to your course, click on Add Lesson and select Lesson Type. Click on Next and fill in all the required details like title, section, video URL, duration, and summary. By clicking on Create Lesson, your lesson will be ready. You can view your lessons in your course. Thanks for watching the video.